So you're gonna sit down and
Are you
cooperate with
entertaining
this?
me anyway?
Yes.
Okay, then it doesn't matter.
Cool. Turn around.
No, hey. I don't think.
You want your kids to see you get thrown to the ground?
No, you're not gonna throw me to the ground. I'm not resisting under the close competition. I'm not resisting. I don't.
Safeguarding kids is one of the most important jobs a cop can do, even when that means arresting their parents. There are 6 cases when cops rescue kids from crackhead parents. Crash nearly kills. Our first case begins on the 11th of February 2022. Police are sent to a car with reported injuries after a mother, driving under the influence, hit the vehicle. What's worse is that her own kids were in the car, leading to a near-fatal incident.
That's her. She's a little bit adamant and animated right now. She doesn't want EMS to look at the children or anything.
They're the 3 that were in the car?
Yes.
Nobody else is in the vehicle?
Correct.
Okay. Any injuries that you guys saw? Any injuries you guys saw?
Please come. Please come get my kids.
She's adamant, no EMS. Doesn't want anybody messing with her. She said she was fine. Apparently the kids were in a car seat. I don't know if she was wearing her seatbelt. She's going to be an EMS refusal.
Okay.
I don't know. It just literally happened. So I'm calling you.
The mother is obviously distressed, but is acting as if she doesn't need to take responsibility for the crash. What's worse is that she acts difficult.
Yes, there's 16 cops right here. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm EMS. I'm EMS.
No, we're just
She
trying
wants us to talk to a police officer.
You talk with him? Yeah, you wanted to talk to me? What's your name, man?
Letitia.
All right, so we do have EMS here. Would you like the children to be checked out?
No.
Would you like to be checked out?
No.
You sure?
I'm positive. We're fine. Look at us.
We just want to make sure. Okay?
Like, we're good. I literally live blocks from here.
Sure.
Letitia,
Yes?
I just need you to sign this that you don't want us to do anything, okay?
Okay,
I
Letitia.
have a legal license.
This just says that you don't want us to check you out or do any type of treatment. That's all that is.
And do you have ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
He's fine. I'm not gonna help me. Please help me.
We're trying. Hey, we're trying. Obviously, we're trying to.
Please help me.
Hey, obviously, we're trying to figure out what's going on, okay? But we just want to make sure everybody's all right. Okay, buddy?
Everybody is okay. Load up. Load up with it.
What's his name? Philip?
Thank you. Mommy's keys. Come here, baby.
Yeah, our plan is to do it at this point.
Why cops don't give a about me or what? No, I am chilled. Ashley, how the how chilled you expect me to be when I roll a whole ass car and all 3 of us are just sitting on this parking lot still breathing? How do you expect that? Yes. Okay. Hold on, let me put you on mute. What do I do?
I need to talk to you. So can I have your kiddos hang out with my partner right here while I talk with you? Please.
My kids are going everywhere with me.
Well, literally, we're gonna stay.
Somebody's gonna take my kids from me.
No one's
Somebody's gonna get.
Hey, let's use it.
Somebody is gonna come take my kids from me.
Your sister's coming to get them.
The suspect is now freaking out about what's going to happen to the very kids she put in danger. The officers try to reason with her.
We're not gonna take your kids. Your sister's gonna take them.
I'm gonna talk to you right here. And we're gonna stay right here.
I have 3 kids of my own.
Y'all
Okay?
lie though.
No, I promise. Your sister's
Y'all lie though.
I promise.
No, y'all lie. Y'all lie.
Ashley's coming to get your
I
kid.
know. She's on the phone right here.
I know your daughter has your phone.
Thank you, baby.
I just need you to step right over here.
I'm not. You can say right here what you need to say to me.
Okay. You've been drinking.
I have.
Okay, so I need to run you through a couple of tests.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay.
Charge. just charge me with a DUI.
Okay, so we can sit here and I can have you do this while you sit. Can we do that?
I'm not. Yes, I'm not doing the whole.
That's fine. I can have you do.
Yes,
I can have you do
I have been drinking. Yes, absolutely.
Are you right or
Yes.
are you right-handed?
I'm right-handed, and
So
I haven't.
you can put your hand like this for me. Just keep it like that for me, okay? And just watch me. I'm going to show you a couple of things, okay? So what I need you to do is you're going to take your. Just watch the time I get started. You're going to take your thumb. You're going to touch it to your index finger. Let me show you, and I'll show you how then you can start. You're going to do this. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get to your pinky, you're going to count backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's one pass. You
Okay,
gotta do
1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I didn't finish. Just give me a second.
Like, I'm drunk. I'm not just. I don't want to do all this. I'm drunk. Please just let my sister come get my
Come and
kids.
get your kids.
Please.
Can you just do this for me, okay? We gotta do.
I don't want my kids to go into state.
They're not going
They're
to.
not going.
So please just let me admit that I've been drunk and let my kids go somewhere where they know where they're going.
The suspect is given a chance to go through the sobriety test, a standard procedure, but she's barely able to participate, leading to her failing.
Do it. Can you? You do it. You do it.
Okay.
You do it. You do it. I'm not doing no more field sobriety tests with you. I'm doing with him.
Okay. Well, we're gonna need you to stand up.
I'm admitting to being.
Okay. So if he doesn't.
I'm admitting to being drunk.
Right. But we still have to run you through these tests.
Okay.
Will you run up? Will you let him do it with you?
Yes, absolutely.
And the kiddos will hang out here with my partner.
She don't know you.
Man, you,
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please.
you gotta put them.
I can't.
Here, my partner.
They're not going
The
I
firefighter can hold
can't.
them.
My son is extra friendly, but my daughter is not.
She was filly with me. We just want to check your eyes.
I've already admitted, so why were you doing all this extra? Okay, alright. Let's do it.
You're not facing that sun.
So what do I need to do?
Just stand here with your feet together. I'm just going to check your eyes, okay? If you can.
I'm drunk. Like, I've literally already admitted, so why do I have to go through
All right,
all
just pay
this?
attention to him, okay?
Please help me.
Let us just run our test and then it'll be over,
He's going to
okay?
help me out too, okay? So just look at my finger, and I want you to follow your finger with your eyes.
Okay.
And your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head or your body, okay?
Take your time. Take your time.
You're fine, I promise. Okay, you have my word. They're going to your sister. You follow my finger here real quick. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, just follow with your eyes. Don't move your head. Let's look up.
So you just became a cop.
Yeah, he's brand new.
Bless your heart.
That's why he's helping me out pretty good.
Bless your
The woman has claimed that she doesn't trust the cops and then refuses to take a breathalyzer test. All of this erratic behavior, plus the DUI, eventually leads to her arrest.
You do it. If you do it, then I'll do it. Help me.
We're done. Yeah, you're good.
Okay. That's why I said I'm already drunk. Charge me with the DUI. That's fine. I'm not breathing into that. I'm not.
Is there a reason why?
No. I've already admitted to being drunk.
Okay.
So I'm not breathing into none of that.
Is there a reason why you don't want
Where's
to?
my phone?
15:36.
I'm just standing here waiting till y'all figure.
Can you breathe into that from
No,
the
I'm
side?
not.
Is there a reason
I'm
why you
not.
don't
I've
want to?
already admitted to being drunk. I don't feel like I need to breathe into that. I don't. Can I have my kids back? Can I have my kids back? Thank you. Can I have my kids back?
No.
Can I have my son back, please? Come here, baby. We're gonna go sit here
Don't have her
until
sit down.
Angel's here to pick you up, okay? I am.
Be careful.
No, there is a reason to yell. So I don't even have to go to jail?
You go to jail. So I'll explain it to you.
Okay, hold on. Listen, Nick. Are you listening?
So we'll go to jail. They'll process you in, and they'll release you in court date if you promise to show up there.
Okay.
So it's OR. They'll release you.
Okay, but what if I have warrants in other states? I don't. I don't have no warrants in other states.
You have no warrants.
So I just get booked in and get booked out?
Yeah, we'll go down to the jail. I'll read you some paperwork. We'll process you. You got 2 to 4 hours.
Oh my God.
The cops try to look after the kids while their mother is detained. She continues to verbally argue with the officers, and when taken to the jail, still doesn't want to take the test.
I do have a right.
But
I don't have a
completion
right.
of the test, you have the right.
Give me this.
You have no
Because
right.
you know this shit is.
Read
Can I
along with
read
them,
it?
okay?
I have to read it to you.
Oh, okay. Well, read it. You should know you should know to read my rights without a piece of
Nope,
paper.
I'm not doing this. You're going to the back of the car. Stand up.
Please don't do this.
No,
I'm sorry. I'm so mad. I just want to.
pain in the
I'm being a pain in the. But I'm just.
We're gonna. I'm not playing this. I was trying to be nice, let you sit with your kids, so your sister got
I'm
here.
so mad. Like, what do you expect me to do? Like, I don't have no.
Treat me
baby.
with respect, like I have with
I
you.
am. You're not treating me with respect. I just want to smoke a.
Can't have you smoke a.
Why? Hi, buddy.
Hey, stay here with me. Okay, stay here with me, okay? Hey, buddy. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. I got you. You guys gonna hang out with me, okay?
Where's my kids going?
No idea. I just got here.
My sister's here.
We're waiting on her.
She was in Mulvane when we called about 15
I'm
minutes
not
ago.
talking
I know
to
you're
you.
not. Sit down.
I don't even.
That's fine.
What's your
But
first
my
name?
kids are gonna be okay.
I'm sure. Like I said, I just got here. If they're going family, I don't
You
know.
were here the whole time.
No, that
What do you mean you just got here?
that kid's
So you don't.
that
so you don't know.
that officer's with your
I've
kids.
been speaking with you and him.
No, this is a different
whole
officer.
entire process.
That's a different
And I
officer.
looked at him like,
My
don't
name is
blame me.
Perez. I have no idea who you've been talking to.
Your kids are going with your sis. Okay. And the officers have been
Is
out
she
there.
there to pick them up?
They were. We called about 15 minutes before our time, and they were in Mulvane.
Okay.
So the ladies that worked that business right there moved the kids to the inside of the business because it was windy and chilly. Okay. So those officers, the rookie officer that was with me, helping me out, he is with the kids inside the building waiting for your sister. Okay? I'm trying to say, I've been respectful.
I tried to
I know,
be.
just like we tell our kids. You got kids, I got kids. Treat someone the way you want to be treated, right?
I tried.
Okay.
I tried. And I'm sorry that you felt I was just disrespectful at some point, but
I've been doing this for 6 years. You're not going to hurt my feelings.
I'm sorry.
Okay?
I apologize.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
I just want to make sure my kids are okay.
Your
right
kids
now.
are fine. The EMS, fire.
Regardless of how you feel, yeah, I'm drunk and the whole car could have killed both. Yeah, I'm a
No,
but now I just want to make sure that my kids are somewhere.
we made a mistake today.
The woman was charged with DUI, traffic violations, and motor vehicle overturn. In this case, a woman could have harmed her kids in a high-speed. But in our next incident, it's a car chase that shows a parent isn't responsible. Uses baby to stop. Our next case begins on the 9th of October 2024. Police in Wisconsin were alerted by a camera that a stolen vehicle was in the area. The police move in on the suspects behind the wheel, making a standard traffic stop. However, things would take a turn for the worse when the suspects brought a child into the equation. The female suspect has jumped from the car in front of the police vehicle with a baby in her hands. The suspect is detained while suggesting she did what she did because her child is autistic. Meanwhile, the cops move in on the vehicle.
Stop.
Is there a baby? Is there a baby in the car right now?
Confirm there are no more babies in the car.
Come here. Stop. Turn around, put your hands behind your back right now.
Please, I have an appointment at Clean Slate.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your baby down.
Penny, they trying to take me to
Put
jail.
your baby
I gotta
down.
pay Lonnie.
Put your baby down. Hands behind your back.
He's gone.
Hey, you can make a phone call. Okay, give me that car.
No, because I don't even know what I did. Look at my, she autistic. I was coming to my appointment right there.
The woman is still arguing about the arrest. She knows about her warrants and knows she's heading back to jail. Back with her partner, the suspect crashes the vehicle after moving at extreme speed.
Where am I going?
I don't know yet.
What do you mean you don't know?
Okay. You need to stop resisting my efforts to walk you to the car because you're going to get in big trouble.
Why am I going?
You're going to get in big trouble.
Why
here.
am I going? Can you put her in the back with me?
Yes.
I'm going to wait till speeds are low enough.
Are there any weapons in the car?
I don't even know him.
Are there any weapons in the car?
I don't know, sir. I swear to God on
Who
my
is he?
child. He literally just, I met him on Facebook. I asked him for a ride to take me to my appointment. He asked me, do I have my license? I said, yes, I have my license. He said, okay, well, can you drive? This is my whole daughter.
Okay, I understand that. Well, as you can hear, the car is stolen.
What's stolen?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yep. I just got out of jail.
What are you in jail for?
Just obstructing an officer.
You almost wanted to obstruct me.
I did not. I just was confused on what was going
Okay.
on.
Front passenger tire.
Crash, crash.
Crash.
We need hold. Don't, hands up! Hands up! Shoot you, swear to God! Don't move! Put your hand on the wheel right now! Start medical for the driver. Alright, let's focus on stopping traffic, getting it off on holds. Well,
The cops search the car, cuff the suspect, and then talk with eyewitnesses. Inside the car, the cops have found ammo and other kinds.
driver is detained, working on medical for the other vehicle. You guys work on the kids, I'll work on her, okay?
Okay. Alright.
Señora, you look at me. Señora, you're gonna stay here. Te vas a quedar aquí, okay, señora?
Do you guys speak
Okay,
English?
no, they don't speak Spanish. Definitely not
Kids
Spanish.
speak- Okay. Okay, I got her, okay? You
Never 10-year-old in the backseat of one of these cars is going in and out of consciousness.
You said there were no babies in that car.
It's not.
There's no more kids in your car?
That's not my car.
In the car.
I just got out of, no. It's not supposed to be.
Okay, alright. So then maybe they crashed into another car with a kid.
And street intersection. We have another child in the car. Cleaning of the left hand.
Lady, can you tell me what
okay,
hurts?
Kira, you're being very bad.
What hurts? Chest? Okay. Driver's alert and breathing. Alright, I'm gonna close the door.
Would I be able to
I'm gonna
fix
roll
her
the
a
window
little
down, okay?
bit?
Is she
She's
doing
still
okay?
asleep.
She's sleeping? Okay. Alright, I'm closing the door, I'm gonna roll the window down, okay? Ma'am, just stay here, okay? Stay here. Don't move. Stay here, okay? We're taking care of your girls. They're gonna be okay.
They're my nieces.
Nieces are gonna be just fine. Just stay put. Don't move your neck, alright? How old is your daughter? How old is your daughter?
She is 4.
She is with a 4-year-old autistic daughter. Can you maybe see if Greendale can come with a car seat so we can work on transport?
Okay. Okay.
Lost the hubcap there.
Oh boy. Is this fresh or?
No, that's a deer.
Okay. Hubcap, this, and this.
Everybody back there, okay?
I believe so. I'm just writing down your plate. They're talking to us. They're definitely hurting. I mean, they got hit real hard, so.
Oh yeah, he jacked them really bad.
real bad. Yep.
But you know, obviously it's probably
It's a stolen car.
stolen car.
Yeah.
I was trying to get you to pit him back on the curb.
No, 100%.
Just because there was no traffic at that point.
That made sense, but I didn't catch that, so I'm sorry.
And
Do you think this dude's gonna go get transported? Oh, he's gonna have to, yeah.
He's going to need med clearance
Yes.
for jail at least, at a minimum.
The cops interview the female suspect, giving officers all the information they need about his ties to a gang. The woman is worried about being a snitch, The woman was later confirmed to be in a relationship with the suspect, despite what she said.
What was the guy's name that was in the car?
I don't know his name. I know a nickname.
Oh,
Man.
what's his nickname? Man?
Man, yeah.
How long have you been dating him? You're not dating him?
My cousin knows his name.
Man?
Yeah, that's his, he never told me his street name. I just met him. So he told me to drive it. And I started driving.
Do you know what his actual legal name is?
I don't want them to call me no snitch though, because I'm gonna have to deal with that when I go home.
What are you snitching about?
I'm telling him his name. Like the other don't give about him because he put me in a position. I should have never did it, but I was so eager to go get the medication that I didn't even ask no extra questions or nothing.
You texted or called your cousin?
I called.
Do you want to show us on the phone? Do you mind if I look at the call log here? Here, put it down so I can see it.
But I don't want y'all calling his number.
That's fine.
And getting
I'm not going to call it.
in
I'm not going to call
No, for real, y'all, because I don't want to be involved with.
Can I look at your messages?
Go ahead.
Okay.
I got nudes in there though. Yeah,
Believe me, I don't want to look at any nudes.
So it was said to us that this guy said to somebody else, you gave him the car. Is that true?
I gave him the car?
That's what he says.
That's lie.
So,
are you done with today's?
I'm looking at it right now.
Oh.
I'm looking at yesterday's right now.
But why are you going to yesterday?
You know, right now I have not seen anything about you stealing a car. That's in your favor,
I know,
right?
I did not steal the car. I did not
That's
know
why
it
I'm
was
doing
stolen.
this.
Let me show y'all. How long was that reported stolen? Go back to the
3 days ago. That's when it was reported stolen. Why did you walk in front of my squad car?
Because I'm like, what?
Why were you in front of my bumper?
I ran in. I didn't mean to just literally run in front of your.
Were you trying to block me?
No, that was not intentional.
What did he say when the police were behind?
Act like nothing
Did he
was
say
going
that
on.
he had-
For real, I wouldn't put my daughter in that, bro. I just really needed my medicine.
Do you sell your sometimes? I saw some messages that you were selling those. Something like the strips.
Not answering that because that doesn't have to do with anything right now.
Okay.
The male suspect was charged with recklessly safety, fleeing or eluding an officer, causing operating while revoked. The female suspect was charged with a child, safety and resisting or obstructing an officer. These suspects were obviously involved with, just like the addicts in the next case. Trapped with addicts. Our next case begins on the 25th of May, 2023. Police are called by a hospital to investigate a strange scene. When the cops arrive at a parking lot, they find two parents unconscious in a hot car, with a child in the back seat. The cops have already seen evidence of use and are worried about the child's safety. The suspects are removed from the vehicle, but one complains of a bad
It's a pit bull sleeping on the floor too.
Are they breathing?
They're breathing. There's both of them now. She's got an orange cap sticking out of her pocket. Looks like a needle cap.
Step out. Step out. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
What's going on? You're breathing out of her pocket. Step out.
I got it.
I have a bad dude.
Get out of the vehicle. Stop putting your hand in your
I'm
pocket.
putting my hand in my pocket,
Put
dude.
your hand against that.
I have a bad.
Put your hand against that.
I have a bad. Now stop.
Watch yourself. What is this? First of all, I'm going to read you guys' rights. You both have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not make any statements, make any comments. Do you understand? You guys have a kid in the back. What is in this? Don't lie to me.
There's nothing in it.
Okay.
It's mine. There's nothing in it. Why are you asking him?
When's the last time you used?
A couple days ago.
Okay. How long you been using?
About 8 months.
About 8 months?
Yeah.
Okay. You got an ID, ma'am?
I do.
Is it in the vehicle?
It is.
We're gonna need something for this kid and dog.
Babe.
What are you guys at the hospital for?
I brought him up here last night. God damn it, dude.
Have you ever been arrested?
Yeah.
For what?
Plenty of times. Everything you can think of.
This is the back of my hand.
Oh.
Go ahead and stand in front of your vehicle, please.
Babe.
What else is in the vehicle before I search?
I don't have anything. That's all I have.
Okay. Did you search him already?
No.
Okay.
I haven't found it down.
What's this right here?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna take this off right now, okay? Alright. How old's your kid? Hi. You doing okay? Yeah? Okay, let's get out of this vehicle, okay? There's some dangerous stuff in here. Come here, sweetheart. You wanna go sit in my car for a second? You ever seen a police car? Yeah? You wanna sit right here for a second? Alrighty. You want the doggy in here with you? Come on, puppy.
Hey, come on. Get up there with the girl. I love you, girl.
What else am I gonna find in this vehicle?
The male suspect is also interviewed while the cops check on the dog. The officers search the car looking for other and find more illegal substances.
Well, you got a needle with some stuff in it, so what else will be in it?
There's nothing in it.
Do you have any possibly anything in there?
There's nothing in it either.
I'm gonna go through it then, okay?
I don't care.
That's a good spot to hide that. So this is only used for.
Yeah.
Why is there substance in it? Because the last I knew, dogs aren't. Yeah, you see that?
No, I'm saying the container.
I'm gonna test it. Is it gonna test positive for?
I don't care if you test it.
I'm going to.
That's fine. Flip the thing that you got in your other hand.
Yeah, I believe that you also, whack it, but there's also in here too. I'll test it.
No. Wow.
They do look like morale. That one does
They
anyway.
are right up morale.
Yeah. When
We're
you
not
flip
no
that
big time dealers or users or nothing like that.
I think they're both going with it.
Yeah, they're going.
Okay. I'm gonna start working on it.
Who is this cousin?
My cousin.
Male, female?
Female.
Is she a user?
No.
She doesn't use? Okay.
What's her name? Angel?
You guys make your own
No. Oh, that's Dylan.
donut doing 4 different tags that are.
Yeah, I had a lot of
Yeah,
donuts.
she got a bunch
I
of
have
other
a friend
ones.
that works at one.
Okay.
Is this your ID, ma'am? The paper one? You have a regular one? See her wallet? Is this an empty purse here?
Let's see the wallet. This is gonna take a while to go through. If that cousin shows up and they look like they're out, can I just go ahead and do a CR33 form?
My blood pressure was working with me last night.
What got us into this predicament? You know what I'm asking. Why am I here?
I said you were sleeping in the car. Yes, I don't know. But you had stuff sticking out of the pocket.
It has nothing to do with me having anything sticking out of my pocket.
I got it, man. Because you passed out, motherfucker, sticking right out of the fucking pocket.
Taken out of her pocket. What are you guys using to melt it with?
I don't use anything. He doesn't. This is the
Where's the spoon at and stuff in here?
I don't use that.
The search continues, but the woman is really not being very compliant. The longer the search goes on, the more is found.
I said, do you smoke or do you... Well, that pipe's got in it, man. So, you guys high right now? You lying? You guys got a kid in the back.
Yeah.
Okay. Car seat's not even in. Did you guys know that?
Yeah, I helped with her last night because she wanted to stretch out.
Were you guys sleeping here all night?
Yeah.
We don't have anything.
You don't have anything? Well,
I mean,
I found some.
well, I mean,
Yeah.
as far as, oh, I don't know nothing about
What do you think that is? What is it?
I'm sure that's probably.
What do you say it is, sir?
Probably.
Okay. Whose is it? Not yours, not hers?
It's been a while since I've seen that jar. I don't know.
Okay. Where's the rest of it at?
The rest of it.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't know there was more.
Do you have anything in your ma'am?
I don't have nothing.
Okay. I'm gonna go test this stuff real quick, okay? You doing alright, sweetheart? Yeah? I'll get you a sticker here in a minute. What are you doing? Puppy? Yeah.
Ouch! Kind of crazy.
Oh, I know. And a danger since there is in reaching distance, methamphetamine and other controlled substances.
Okay.
Seatbelt being undone, rotten food in the back.
Yeah.
I'm talking about.
I know that's the side, right?
The side, yeah.
Yeah. Well, you mentioned the seat and stuff.
Oh, I was just trying to. Yeah, I guess what you're saying is that doesn't matter because it's parked. Yeah.
Because it's a park.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. There you go. You can give that. All right, you guys are under arrest. Okay, possession, controlled substance. Well. Okay, I'm gonna let CD. Faster we do this, the faster I can get the paperwork in, the faster.
The cops detain the suspects, who are now relatively compliant. They're placed in the cop car.
Watch out, just in case.
Yeah, well, absolutely. Look at that, Chris.
They're passing.
All part of the lifestyle.
Yeah, this is the good stuff.
Yeah, that is the good stuff. You know, I'm trying. You guys, I've been trying to get in the program. I'm trying to get
You were
clean.
like seconds away from me freaking out, so just stop talking and we'll go, okay?
Trying and doing.
We're gonna go to jail.
Two different things. And that's the issue. You're trying.
Well,
it's up to you.
You have a baby girl.
I am.
A beautiful baby girl. I mean, she's gorgeous.
I know.
All right.
Let's go. Come on.
I didn't lock it.
Then have a seat.
You guys married or just boyfriend and girlfriend?
Is that your guys' kid together?
Yeah.
Are you guys married?
That's her stuff.
Whose is this stuff?
That's all hers.
Oh, I don't need that pink wallet.
You don't need this?
The pink wallet? No. I have a green wallet in my purse, but that has ID, but I don't need it ID.
She says she doesn't need it.
Okay. That's the stuff he wanted. That's his Wi-Fi box. He said he rents from the library.
Get to your left, please.
The woman was charged with possession of a controlled substance and the welfare. It would be shocking if this mother kept custody of her child, much like the parent in the next case. Stunned by seeing. Our next case begins on the 1st of October 2022. Police were sent to a parking lot after eyewitnesses noticed a vehicle full of children. The kids were supposedly not very well looked after and were walking around completely unattended. Here's what police found when they arrived. The cops arrived to find the mother of the kids, but the officer isn't just going to drop this case. The officer then confers with a colleague about what she's learned.
Hey. How are you doing? Hi. Are you Courtney? How are you? Okay. Are these all your babies? Yeah. Okay.
Hey, puppy.
All right, where's
My
your
sister down the way in the Halloween store.
Oh, okay.
She was walking them, but they're bad, so they had to come back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're just getting some calls of some children running around in the parking lot and people got concerned and nervous and...
Oh, yeah, no. Well, my dog did run away when she fell. And so the kids, they tried to chase after her, but I told them, please.
The dog? Yeah. How long have you had your dog for?
Since she was 4 weeks.
Hi, puppy.
So that's what's kind of going on is my husband has been cheating on me, and so I live in the park. Oh, I live in the park. I'm trying to stay away so he can understand that I don't want to be with him anymore, And so we're just.
I bet you can see on camera.
Have you been living out of the car then?
No, in the Greenwood Hotel.
Okay.
I think Greenwood over off of 3:20, I believe. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I see some
it's
cops dance. And she has
not a big deal. We're good.
Oh, look what
I was thinking about getting
Well, you know why
nails.
we got called out, right?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to go verify
Yeah.
first.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
so-
full circumstances, I'm going to go verify. I'm going to go walk inside.
Okay.
So if
Look at this one.
Sure.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
So what's the plan?
Hi. Who is the most person in the know? Okay, can you... Is it that big old white SUV out there?
Yes.
Okay, so what exactly have you seen?
Okay, we haven't seen much except for the kids keep individually coming in here getting cups of water and ice, which is no big deal, but they're dirty. The boy just had shorts on, no shoes, no shirt, and they were randomly for about 2 hours coming in.
The cops talk with the eyewitnesses who reported the incident, a woman inside a local restaurant. They document that the kids were obviously left by themselves for a long time.
We kept trying to watch, but we've been busy. Yeah. They would like go outside and dissolve. We couldn't tell where they were going.
Okay.
So this last time they came in, we went and watched where they were going. And one of my servers walked over to the front to see if she could see any parents or anything. And she said they were both slumped over.
And who was that? Can you just tell us what you witnessed when you walked over?
So I checked the mail and then walked in front of the car, and both the subjects were like forward, like falling asleep.
So the person who's out there now?
Yeah, the girl was in the driver's seat, and then I believe there was a black male in the passenger, I believe.
Okay, but for sure the woman that we're talking to was completely slumped over?
Yeah.
And where were the children at?
They were in the back, and the windows were down, and the car was running.
Okay, would you be willing to provide like a recorded statement of just official coerced statement of what you saw?
Absolutely.
You and I both know what's going on here. That's why we're here. Hi,
What's
baby.
going on? Tell me.
We've had multiple witnesses calling in about all of your children. They're filthy. You and somebody else were in there, passed out in the car. We have multiple witnesses. Yes, I'm not, like I said, it's going to go one of two ways.
No,
okay?
no problem.
So here's what's going to happen, is I'm going to get really good contact information from you.
Okay.
I'm going to allow you to come back to the station and meet with CPS directly.
Okay.
But as far as the police are concerned, I do not have faith if I leave these children in your custody that they're going to be protected and safe, and that's why we're doing what we're doing. Okay? And then charges will be forwarded to the prosecutor for okay? That's where we're at right now.
If I have my sister come.
Well, that's what I'm saying, is that's why you can come back and we're going to have that direct conversation about somebody that you deem, because they always try to keep them with family, right? But as far as the police are concerned, we intervene when we believe that the child's safety is in jeopardy, right? We're the initial contact. Okay. Then what happens is the CPS gets involved.
The suspect is given an opportunity to explain herself after the cops believe she was passed out. Meanwhile, they try to entertain and look after the kids.
It's audio and visually recorded.
No, yeah, you're good. I was on the phone with Green Dot and Progressive. I have an insurance thing going on.
Okay.
You know, and I allowed them to go get some water.
Okay.
And I was watching them. The dog did get loose, and so, you know, they obviously ran after the dog. Whatever, I got out, you know, went and got the dog. There was 3 ladies over there.
Okay.
You know, I mean, sorry about that. You know, but I'm not going to give you any problems.
Okay. I appreciate that. Like I said, I try to be very straightforward because there's no point in trying to pull a veil over your eyes. And
so I'm just trying to figure out, like, you know, what was I supposed to, you know, there's really nowhere ever you can go and park and just not be doing anything wrong. And
so you weren't doing with another gentleman in your car while your children were sitting?
No, I don't have, no gentleman was with me at all.
Okay. Okay. Well, and if that's what if that's your statement, then that's your statement. But we have,
there has been no gentleman
concerned third parties, unbiased, who've been watching you, and the black gentleman that was in your car with you with your children as you both were slumped over. And that's the call that we came to. Okay. And that can be your statement when we have.
But there's cameras too, right?
Yeah, and we will absolutely be getting the cameras, yes.
Okay, because, yeah, that is not true at all.
Okay.
And so you guys are taking my kids because of accusations?
Multiple people reporting the same thing, and that your children have been running around inside and out. They're filthy. That asking for water with no parental supervision in a parking lot. So yes.
I was right here. I mean, I told you guys that they went to get water before you even told me that. Yes, ma'am.
Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Fully.
Okay.
As far as like, so the accusations that were made about some dude in my truck, how do we, you know, figure out or know that that's not what happened and, you know, whatever, like.
So everything's just going to be about evidence, right? So we take statements and then CCTV and all that stuff will speak to it.
Okay.
Cameras here, cameras inside, all that stuff. I mean, we do an entire investigation. It's not like it's just face value, right?
Right,
it's just based upon the information we have here and now.
The woman isn't allowed to take care of these kids anymore, and so the cops put them in some temporary care. Eventually, the children's father arrives at the station to pick them up. The cops tell them why they still have the kids.
And we're going from there.
Okay.
And the address is on that business card as well.
Is where I'll be going?
Yes.
Is that where they're going?
8th Avenue South. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. All right. Okay. All right. Team effort.
They may come back with me today.
CPS is going to make that determination.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to get a hold of them and kind of see what they would like to do with this whole thing. Okay. So it may take a half an hour while we call them and figure it out, or it may take a few hours for them to come down. I don't know how long.
So when do you think would be best for me to show up?
If the officers here are done with you, I'd just go over there right now.
Okay. That sounds good.
All right.
But I won't see them.
Not for right now.
Okay. All right.
You don't have to. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, buddy. We're gonna go. Well, we have a playroom. There's some toys and stuff in there.
Hi. Good, how are you doing? Are you Lindsay? Is it Lindsay or Lindsay? Okay, Lindsay. I figured it was. Do you have a question or?
Yeah, I want to see my kids.
And I get that, but unfortunately where we're at right now, we're just trying to figure out what's going on with CPS.
Sure.
How did you guys get here? Did you guys come together or?
Yeah, I drove.
You drove? Okay. So, based upon everything right now, I know you don't know a whole heck of a lot other than the fact that they were put in a dangerous situation, right? And so when CPS gets here, they look at the entirety of the circumstances of...
My kids?
Yeah.
I see my kids about almost every other day or every day. Because this is the plan, okay? I set the plan up. I was tired of shit going on and shit, right? So I put my sister at the house.
Okay.
So I know about my kids all the time. I'm calling about my kids and everything about all the time, you know what I mean? But she takes them and runs off, and then, you know, I can't send them. They're in her custody. They're not in mine. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But there's no custody. But, you know what I mean? I don't push that because there's native laws, you know what I mean? And the native law is mine wins. Native law, they win.
Okay, so then the truth of the story is that based upon everything, again, and they also look at previous CPS history, right? Has there been CPS history before with your children? But with your children?
Yeah.
Okay, and they look at prior criminal history of you and current driving status, like your DBLS 3, you're not supposed to be driving, so then and I don't know about you, is your license suspended?
No.
No, okay. And that's what we're going to go. All of these things get taken into consideration because it's about, at this point in time, it's about the children. They are covered in dirt. They smell very badly. It looks like they've been living out that car. She said they've been living out that car for about a week now, or staying at some motel she couldn't name because you and her have been. And so again, we always are doing what we believe is best of the children. So when CPS gets here, we look at everything and hold on, hear me out. But
the cops are still concerned about the care of these kids. The kids hadn't been bathed in weeks, nor had they seen their father in a long time. The mother never appeared.
If you don't mind real quick, we tell them everything and we try to make a plan. They're always going to try to put the children back with the safest family member that there is, right? If you tell my lieutenant and my other partner that she's been crazy for a month, but then she's got the kids, right? Then I ask you, why on earth would you let those children go with somebody who's been not well and been fighting, right? If you know she's been off or she's been falling asleep in cars, then a reasonable person would say, okay, Dad, why on earth would you let those kids go with them, right? Because at this point in time, they were not safe, and we need to try to figure out what safe looks like. So it's a big old pause. So before you can come see him or we can release him, we have to, it's like a full court press of trying to do what's best for those kids because we just want to make sure that they're safe. Okay?
The kids were placed in care. The mother was charged with child Clearly, have hugely influenced the judgments of these parents, just like in the next case. While nodding, Our next case begins on the 21st of October 2023. Police investigated after finding that a woman who had overdosed had smashed her car up. Inside the car were 3 children who now need urgent medical care.
Mexico boy Adam Tom Morrison.
So I guess this is mom. She's we have 3 minors that were in the car.
Can I go?
Yeah, are you witness?
Not to
Caller?
crash. No, I was just doing the chest compressions.
She almost hit us.
Yeah,
She almost hit 3 other people. She was doing circles all the way up here. She almost she slammed in here. Before she slammed, I saw her just hunched. When she hit, I only saw was a face in this window. I pulled over.
The cops speak with eyewitnesses who were almost hit by the vehicle. The emergency team does their best to bring some stability to the situation.
And then all the
littlest one, he wasn't even arms in it. He just buckled up the legs. Thank you guys. I just pulled in here, killed the engine after I put the car through the hazards on, grabbed the kids out, and they assisted me before I could get her out myself.
2 kids and mom, everyone else is a bike.
She does have an ankle bracelet on, so she's probably already in the
No. You guys Narcan her though?
Yeah, I think she's awake in the back actually.
Yeah, she's awake right now.
I'm gonna have to call CYFD or get a parent. CYFD's gonna talk about it. I have another unit en route and was waiting on them. That way we can all hang out.
In the back of the ambulance, the mother is very restless. She seems to want to get away and is not cooperating. She's soon detained for her actions.
I did left my wallet in the car. My mother locked the back of my car, but I had my CPR card. I had it with me. Alright, cool. Let us take this out.
Let us take the IV out if you're going to get out. Can't leave that in you. Yes, sir.
Hey, yes ma'am. There's some stuff that's gonna have to happen before you take off, alright? You understand that? You're gonna come sit right here, you're not gonna...
Central 1126, what district?
Yasmin, you're gonna sit down.
These are my kids.
Okay, and they're fine. So you're not gonna go toss all your... Check it out, you're gonna cooperate or you're gonna get detained. With your kids in the car, you're gonna get no sympathy from me. So you're gonna sit down and cooperate with this.
Are you gonna detain me anyway?
Yes.
Okay, then it doesn't matter.
Cool. Turn around.
No, hey. I don't think.
You want your kids to see you get thrown to the ground?
No, you're not gonna throw me to the ground. I'm not resisting under the force of I'm not resisting. I don't.
You refuse to go in it, you're gonna get placed in it, and it sucks really, really bad.
You just call my mother.
And I told you,
You told
I will.
me either
Once
I
you start
cooperate,
cooperating, you
or,
will
and then you said that you would just. I just need you to call my mother.
get up, and we will work on that.
Kids are okay.
Okay, get up, and we will work on that information.
How can I trust you?
What?
How can I trust you?
Because I don't want you sitting here laying with your face in a grate.
The suspect is finally up on her feet again and is placed in the back of a cop car. The police try to take down her details. Elsewhere, the medical team gives the cops an update on their work.
You have anything else on you? Cool, take a seat.
Call my mother.
What's your name? First of all, we have some other information we need to get. It's Yasmin, correct?
Yeah.
Yasmin?
Yes.
What are you on paper for? Get your feet all the way in.
Are you comfortable with taking her to the hospital yourself, or do you want her to go with us?
Hang tight for that.
Okay.
Because we're probably going to have a DRE come out for it, since it's dope. So I don't know. She's fine though, so I don't see why not.
So it could go either way, really. She's fine now and she could stay that way, or she's got enough in her system that our narc is going to just slowly start wearing off, and we could find her starting to, I mean, basically.
How many Narcans you guys give her?
So we gave her 2.
Of the 2s?
No, we gave her 2, but it was an IM shot.
Okay. What's going on? Your mom's on the way? She's coming from Mesa Grande, I guess, up there. She says it's going to take her about 30 minutes or so. We're going to have an officer that's going to hang out here with your kiddos, obviously. We're going to go to the station, fill out all our paperwork, and go from there. Do you have any questions? No?
What did I run into?
Huh?
What did I run into?
A bus stop. Luckily no one was sitting there. But you hit a bus stop. So, fix your feet for me real quick, and we're going to get going, alright?
In the jail, the suspect is read her rights before being given a chance to respond to the allegations against her. She admits to having inhaled before driving.
Go help out, Miss.
So the father of the children is there? Is it okay if the 2-year-old goes with their dad?
Yes, my promise.
She says it's okay, sir. Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
So Mr. Like I was saying, it was just a Miranda warning, right? I only have a few questions. I have just a few questions. I saw the when I pulled up on scene. It was in plain view. You passed out several times. There's witnesses saying that you're just doing circles, slumped over in the driver car.
I dropped some off. I just half. Yeah, and it was down the road.
It was where did you?
I dropped some off at the coast light.
You dropped some off at the coast light?
Yeah.
Are you slanging dope? No. You just dropped some off to some friends, or what?
Yeah.
The woman has now been taken to a hospital to get a general checkup and for a analysis. The woman now seems confused and doesn't seem to want her tested. Finally, she agrees.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. How are you? Good. Just take a seat in this chair. Okay. Miss, I just have to read you something. So, listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important, including you're under arrest for driving while under the. I'm requesting that you consent to have your to the and your. You have the right, Ms. Pacheco, to refuse to my consent and to my request. If you refuse to consent, you cannot face criminal penalties for your refusal. Do you understand that, right, Ms. Okay. However, refusing consent has other consequences in accordance with the New Mexico Implied Consent Act and state law. Those consequences may include losing your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privilege for 1 year. Additionally, the fact that you refuse consent may be used as evidence against you in a court of law. Do you understand these consequences, Ms. Pacheco?
I want to talk to someone that understands. I don't understand this.
Maybe you can break it down for her, ma'am?
So, you did the breathalyzer test, right?
Mm-hmm.
Blew in the thing. The results said that it was inconclusive, which means that they couldn't get a reading of yes, no, or whatever it says to give them an answer. the answer was not there. There's a medical issue as to why it's not coming up with an answer. So they want to know if they can do the blood work to do that.
But it's an machine.
Correct. So that's why we need a test to further see exactly what's in your system.
No, you said because it was saying, no, I don't feel comfortable with this. Because you said,
Yes,
So
she was
correct.
unconscious
Correct.
at scene.
So,
Was given.
so Ms. This will be my last request. Do you consent to a...
I'm here so you can get the drugs in my system.
So we can know exactly what's in your system, and one, get you medically clear because you were in a motor vehicle, and two, get you a test. That way we can see exactly what's in your system because we don't know, and our machine said that it's something else besides. So that's why we just want to check. This will be my last request. Ms. Pacheco.
The woman is taken back to jail where her paperwork is processed.
I have one for you guys.
You already got one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I stapled it to the come on. I'll take the mag. It's stapled to the back of that one.
What did she go for the?
Just the clearance, because she went to Memorial for and she went to Three Crosses for clearance because she was in an accident. She was narc. She's been good ever since though.
I'll take this. That can go in.
She was charged with DUI and resisting arrest, but the charges were later dropped. This mother was irresponsible, but at least she didn't try to frame her kids like the suspect in the final case. Hides on child. Our final case begins on the 6th of June 2023. Police were conducting a standard traffic stop when they noticed something odd. When they moved in on the suspect, they saw her attempt to place in her kids' pockets. Here's what happened next. The suspects are already making excuses about having injured themselves. They supposedly don't have a license either.
Hey.
Hey, Mr. Smith, it's Steven.
Who?
Steven.
Okay.
Talked to you a couple times.
Okay. You don't have a tag on your trailer.
But there is a tag.
There is one for it.
If you put in Jerry William Howard, is that it?
Okay, well, see, I don't have a crystal ball, and if there's no tag on it, then I can't make heads or tails of it.
Yes, sir.
So there's not a tag on the vehicle, on the trailer
Yes,
at all.
it fell off.
You got your license on you?
No, sir, I don't. I'm driving.
Get that hurt my hand.
You hurt your hand? You're able to eat though.
Yeah, but I can't do like this, but I had to be.
You got your driver's license?
No, sir, I don't have.
You don't have a driver's license? All right, step out for us.
Can you roll this window down?
Just step back here for me. So, whose vehicle is this? Where are you guys coming from?
We were coming from Walmart. She had to meet her mom there to get some money, and we were stopping here to get some ice and some water's pretty cool at the house.
The vehicle belongs to her.
Trailer belongs to her and her dad, but the registration's in her father's name.
Okay. Is there anything illegal in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Any illegal?
No,
anything
sir.
like that?
Just the kids.
There's kids in there?
Yes, sir.
I didn't see any kids.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So do y'all have a show?
They're just documenting us, what we do, that's all.
And you got that many suspensions.
What's his name? Pulled me over like a month and a half ago and he said I didn't have no habitual or nothing on it.
No, I didn't say you had habitual.
Okay,
that many suspensions. You don't have a license at all.
No, sir.
You can't drive, dude.
I know.
You're gonna go to jail.
I know.
You know, and because of all the past arrests you've had,
Yes, sir.
how many times have you been arrested for driving?
For driving?
Yeah.
Once.
Just once?
Yes, sir.
All right. This will be number.
Like forever ago.
Okay. Well, if you got arrested today, it'd be number 2. Your third one's a felony.
It's still a felony?
Yeah.
Stop doing that.
No, because you got a DUI.
Yeah?
You got a
Oh, yeah. That was in 2007. I forgot I did have a DUI.
Yeah.
But I wasn't arrested for that.
But your girl's got a valid license.
I know. She hurt her hand and I was stupid for driving for
She's
it.
going to have to drive. Just hold tight a minute, okay? She's got a valid license. And of course he doesn't. He's not habitual or anything. He's got one prior arrest for driving. but there's no reason why she can't drive.
There was something when I walked up there and she reached underneath the seat or something. 99's on his way.
Okay.
The cops have realized something isn't right here and are preparing to take further action. They want to remove the kids from the car so they can search it further.
But, yeah. Hey, your shoes. Your shoes. Am I able to use the ball?
When we get done, you step over here, buddy. Hey, she's sitting on the pipe.
Yeah, I knew she put something under there.
Sorry, it's really, really dirty.
Yeah.
I don't have a vacuum because right now, like, we're working on getting power on our property.
You got a medical card? Yes or no?
No.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, there's not that much there.
I ain't worried about pipe. I'm going to see if they'll come up here for a minute. Yeah. Okay, you're good. You don't have anything on your... anything like that? And y'all able to kind of stand there and just watch?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So we can speed this up. Is it just tape by your feet?
Oh, no, that's a balloon.
Oh, okay. That's the one he's blowing up.
Ain't nothing in the vehicle that's gonna get you in trouble today.
Just a pipe, I guess, if she has. I didn't know she had that in there.
Philip, she was hiding something. It was a box full. Ugh. You ever need a spare tooth? That's gross. Residue in that straw?
I don't know, but it's worth checking for sure.
She was hiding that. What she was doing, I scared her. She didn't see me standing where I was at. I asked her if she had anything on her, and she kind of looked away. So, you able to walk back here real quick? Yep. You can bring your popcorn.
31, 10-4 check.
We're just gonna go in front of this gold car. I'm super easygoing. Okay. I know. As long as you're honest with me.
The woman is asked whether she has anything on her that'll get her in trouble. She's then searched herself, but soon the arguments begin.
I mean, there ain't nothing I can do for you, okay? So, with that being said, there's a female coming out here. Do you have anything on you that's going to get you in trouble?
No.
You don't have anything in your... nothing in your pants?
No.
Okay. She's going to come out here and check.
Okay.
So, I just didn't want you to lie and go to charge, okay?
Right.
All right. You can hang out back up here.
Yeah.
Little girl wants to go to bed.
If Mama wants to let them go in there by themselves. If they can go in there by themselves, no, we can't let you. Okay, well just hang tight for just a minute.
I'll go.
I can't let you go in there right now. I'd buy you grab this stuff. I'm gonna go test that straw.
653-512-05. I know who you are. You ain't made the good choices, have you? No, you're not. No, you're not. If you got illegal narcotics in you, you're not working on your life except making it worse. So don't kid yourself. We're not trying to be mean or disrespectful, but we wouldn't be in this situation. We wouldn't be in this situation if you were driving, if you had a tag on the vehicle and you didn't have.
I've been a trailer for a year, and no one spoke with me about a tag. And I gave you the name to show you it was legal.
That name went in this steering right out this one because I was dealing with other things. Okay.
Don't mind, man.
It was positive.
Jason, you mind?
I think she's got it on her.
Yeah, she has actually spent the night in my house. She was high school friends with my daughter, and she looks 1,000,000 times different now than what she did then. And she's telling me, she said, Mr. Smith, you know who I am? I said, yeah, I know exactly who you are. I said, you're not making good choices, are you? Well, I'm trying. I said, no, you're not. You got illegal in the vehicle with you. That's not making good choices with your kids.
When I told her that there was a female coming, that she wanted to start, I got to go to the bathroom. I need to take them in there, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so she wanted to leave and go to the bathroom. When I asked her if she had anything on her, she kind of not looking right. 20-something, she's reaching in her pocket right now. Or she's reaching in his pocket. Yeah, she's reaching in her waistband. What'd you just do?
Huh?
Nope, we're not playing that. Stand up.
Excuse me?
Stand up.
Ma'am, stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Check his back of his waistband.
If you just put something in him, he's going to be taken away from you. Did you or did you not?
The woman is finally detained after what she's done. The drugs are found on the kid. She's led away from the family while the child gets upset.
You didn't put anything in his pants?
This coin purse. Honey, I gotta get this out, okay?
Are you kidding me? Really? Are you me? Do not reach up.
Turn around. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I didn't ask you. I told you to put your hands behind your back.
Philip, take her over there, please. She just put that in his pants.
I'm sorry. It's okay, baby. Relax. It's okay. Okay, hey, listen. Stop. Hey, listen. Do you have anything else on you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, listen. Face the car. Okay?
Ma'am.
I gotta search you. Nothing that's gonna poke or stick me, right?
Hey, sweetie. Hey, sit right here for me. Hey, what's your name? Hey, just calm down, baby. This ain't your fault. I'm talking to her. Calm down for me, okay? No, what? Stop talking.
Yes, sir.
The whole coercion of telling her what to say was right there just a second ago.
I said it'll be
You
okay,
can't
baby.
come out of your mouth. No, you said if they happen to ask, and then you told her what to say. That's coercion.
I swear to God, I didn't.
No.
I said if
no.
You go to
and you want to know why there's a test kit on the hood?
Yes.
Because the straw that was in your seat tested positive for means. That's why.
Really?
So you're probably going to jail too. I mean, if they're stuff down kids' pants.
Not there, sir. I told him not to do that.
No, the girl.
Just sit in there for right now.
Yeah, I cannot believe it. She was watching me. As soon as you pulled up, I watched her put it in the back of his pants. What the f***, Jimmy? She pulled it out of her pants and put it in his pants. And I hate when people involve like that.
Man, I got an attitude with you, but that really pisses me off when you start diving off into kids with stuff like that. That's ridiculous.
I told her no. I'm sorry, sir.
Well, if she's why are you going to get her out of jail?
She's my children, you know I got to.
Yeah, and you see what she's...
I'm sorry.
Can I call her to come and get us?
You can call her. Here,
The male suspect is searched while the cops look after the kids. They have to find new care for them. The suspects are driven away from the scene.
Can I call her to come and get us?
Absolutely.
I watched her. As soon as Jesse pulled up, I watched her.
She wanted to give her back.
She took it out of her pants and put it in his pants. What would you do? I'd charge her with child endangerment too. Well, I don't have gloves on. You want to test this real quick? I could not believe, dude. I got goosebumps that pissed me off so bad.
Where's it at? Is it in here?
Yeah, it was in the front of her pants, and she took it out. I walked over there, and she stuck it in a blue bag at the.
Yeah, I seen it.
Well, they were on a traffic stop, but Mom had put something. Honestly, I'm not really sure what all that entails, but yeah, that's what it's kind of looking like. But if you want to come up here and we can talk with you, and then we can get them sorted out, okay? Okay, yes, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Hold on, baby.
Okay, here you go.
Hello?
She's on her way, honey. When your grandma gets here, we'll just talk to her and let her know everything that's going on, and then she can take you, okay?
Ain't getting no dark.
He's going too.
Sorry, I'm over there.
Yes. For what? For the possession of that.
I didn't have that. I didn't know that was there. I was just real.
Have a seat.
I was honest and everything was honest.
Have a seat.
Can the kids have my money, please?
We'll talk about that in a minute. Just have a seat for a little bit.
What was on the change purse?
Big old thing of probably the darkest test kit I've ever seen.
Officer Smith, I do not.
That's a positive test.
Well, sir, I do not.
Okay. Well, it was in that little. That was a little heart in the little box.
Yes, but.
And that's what it tested. That one good?
Yeah. Hey, if that's her straw, how y'all?
All right, have a seat.
It was in my seat?
Yes.
Even if she says it's hers?
Yes. Have a seat.
Me?
The male suspect was charged with possession, while the female was charged with child and possession.